I drove all the way to my shooting place, and let me show you what I brought for Smith & Wesson Model 500 bullets. Those are all deprimed, sized, clean brass, ready for reloading. So I don't have a single bullet for the Model 500. Awesome, Jacob, great job. Hey, what's up guys? Jacob from Gunday, Funday. So today is the day before Thanksgiving, and sorry it's taken me a while to put up another video. I guess I've been busy. I've been laying tile in my house and working on my house, so I haven't had time to do any videos, but I did think of a cool idea today. I've seen some other channels shoot some padlocks, so I thought, why not give it a try on my channel? So what I did here is I set up 3 locks on a board, and we are going to shoot those 3 locks with, first off, a 22 long rifle, then we're going to go to a 22 250, we're then going to switch to a 223 or a 5.56 AR-15, and lastly we will save 1 lock specifically for the 50 BMG. This should be fun. I hope you guys like it, and we're gonna try to debunk the myth of in the movies when they just come up and they shoot a lock one time. Personally, I don't think it'll work. All right, guys, here we go. 10 rounds. Let's see what happens. That left-hand lock. Here we go. There's 10. Let's go find out what happened. Well, it's a little warm. There's I missed twice or 3 times. I think I was shooting from a little ways away, but I did hit it a couple times. Okay guys, now we're gonna try to shoot lock number 2 with a 22 250. Here goes. Oh, a 22 250 is awesome. This thing, they are so fast. Small, tiny bullet, but so fast. They cause so much destruction. Check this out. Wow, wow. That's from one 22 250 bullet. We're gonna shoot it again and try to open it up. I now know that it takes precisely 4 bullets from a 22 250 to open up a Brinks padlock. Let's look at this. And this is what you get. Look at this. That is amazing. I mean, it just destroyed this lock. Absolutely destroyed it. There's pieces everywhere. And look, we still have it hanging right here. That is so awesome. It just broke all the pieces around it. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to go back to this lock with the AR-15. Okay guys, AR-15 against that first lock. The second lock took 4 bullets from a 22-250. Let's see what the AR-15 will do. Check this out, guys. Here's what we have. We have lock pieces all over the ground. And that's the one that was shot by the 22-250, but this is the one that we just shot with the AR-15. You can see where the bullet went in, and I mean just destroyed where that key goes right in there. You can see the spring in there. That's kind of cool. But as far as bullets are concerned, these locks don't fare so well. Look at all of how it just like pressed that metal into the wood behind there. That's pretty impressive. Now you can see though that this actual like U-shaped ring, U-shaped lock, I mean, isn't damaged at all. We actually tore the locking mechanism right off. So it'd be kind of cool to maybe shoot one of those and see if you could break it. But I really just feel like shooting the 50 BMG. Okay guys, I have one more bullet. The camera's already rolling down there. We are gonna shoot that last Brinks lock with a 750 grain Hornady AMAX bullet loaded with 214 grains of powder, a number 35 CCI primer, and well, this piece of awesome. It's a Barrett M99 bolt action 50 caliber sniper rifle, and it is ready for destruction. All right guys, let's do this. I hope you like the video. Here we go. Oh goodness, every time I shoot the 50 BMG it makes me laugh. Like seriously, it makes me laugh because I never truly know what's gonna happen, or you know, it's always destruction. So let me just show you guys what happened. This is awesome. This is the first time I'm looking at it too, by the way, so I didn't stage anything. This is all first-hand experience right here. Okay, so our board was up there. It clearly moved and shattered. This is part of the board. We have part of the lock stuck in the wood that wasn't there. We have part of, wow, that's, oh my gosh, guys, I think that's the bullet. And we have, oh, what was the lock. The lock was on this side. It was like this, okay? And that is essentially what we have left after shooting the lock. And to be perfectly honest with you, I don't even know where the lock went, to be perfectly honest. You can see though that it like literally pushed. Wow, this is still hot. And okay guys, I'm thinking that this is the bullet, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna get it out. Let's use part of this lock, see if we can pry this guy up and see if we can get it out. If that's the bullet. You guys are gonna be stoked. So will I. Oh, hey, look at there. We got some jacket in there, and yeah, there's some jacket right there. That's awesome, guys. There's some jacket. This is part of the bullet right here. That is so sweet. But as you can see, there was so much force on that lock that it just destroyed the piece of wood. So that was awesome, guys. I'm so excited to shoot those locks for you. It was super cool for me to see and see what kind of destruction it would do. And you know, if you're ever gonna break into a house or whatever and it's locked up, I don't think I'd take a gun because you're wasting ammunition, and bolt cutters might be a little less inconspicuous. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so.